What's up, guys? So this week we're going to learn how to use the text tool. This is an example of what I'd like you to do in this assignment. You're going to learn how to put an image inside of text. So you need to download an image of a place that you want to do. I used New York, so I downloaded an image of New York first, and then this is how we're going to do the project. So you guys would open, you'd be here on the main page, create new. 1920 by 1080, create. You're going to use, choose a background color. I'm just picking blue. And then you're going to go to your paint bucket and fill that background in. Then what you're going to do is go to your text tool. Up here in the options bar, hit add text. It's going to give you all these different things. First you want to do is type in the text that you're going to write. You want to change the color so that you can see it on your fill color. You can pull this to stretch your font here. You can also change, maybe you like a different type of text. In the settings, you do want to mess with this letter spacing. If you decrease it, it'll pull the letters closer together, and using bold definitely makes it pop more. So you just want to mess around with all these options in the text tool to get it to where you want it. Now, once you have your font set up right, you do need to go to layer, go down to rasterize, and then you also need to go to layer again and go down to flatten image. That's going to make it one solid good layer for you. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you have to open up your image. Now, people had a hard time with this, so I'm definitely going to say this was the easiest way to do it. Go to layer, then go to add image as layer. You're going to go find your New York image or whatever you chose, open it up, and there it is. Then you're going to click on the three buttons and you're going to lower the transparency of that image. The next thing you're going to do is go to you're actually going to make it invisible by clicking this little box. You're going to go to your background layer and you are going to go to your magic eraser, select the background. So now you've selected just the blue area and not the white area. We're going to make that image show again by clicking on the box. Now we're going to go to our eraser. We're going to change the size of our eraser brush. The bigger, the better. You can actually go quite large. And then what you want to do is click on this layer, because you want to erase the scenery layer, not the text layer. And we are going to start erasing the scenery. Now it's going to erase whatever is chosen within that magic eraser area. Now, as you can see, it didn't pick up the O or inside the O and inside the R. So you're going to have to go back and mess with that. So I'm going back to the background layer, back to my magic wand. I'm going to do Control D to deselect. I've got my magic wand on this layer and I am going to click here. You can also hold Shift so that you can do multiple places at one time. We are going to go back to our eraser tool and now we're going to choose this layer. We're going to erase and we're erasing inside there. Very good. Okay, now we're going to go back to the image layer, click on the three dots, increase your transparency, click Control D to deselect, and that's pretty much it. Now I move fast because this, the software I'm using to make this video, I'm in a 5-minute range. But remember, you can pause this video to go back and adjust it. Once you get this done, go to File, save it as a JPEG, and insert it into the rubric for this week. If you get stuck or have any questions, please don't forget you can reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you can pick any scenery as long as it's appropriate. I highly recommend shorter words are easier. Like I said, I did Scotland and it was harder because it was a much longer word. But I hope you guys enjoy this and learn how to use the text as well as inserting an image tool. And I look forward to seeing your products. See you soon.